Pinoy-flavored chicken wings naman yung gagawin natin ngayon. Patis Glazed chicken wings. Let's start cooking. Pinatisang pakpak yung gagawin natin today. So, very easy. Medyo Pinoy na Pinoy, di ba? We always like our chicken wings na parang Korean, di ba? Ang aking chicken wings, I divided the wing tips and the drumlets. Yan, sobrang simple lang. Then, lalagyan natin ng konting suka. That's good enough. Sobrang simple lang. And we will make our breading. Sobrang easy na ating breading. Flour and cornstarch. Combine natin siya. And eto siya, hindi ko na siya titimplahan because medyo flavorful din nating glaze. And we know also that our chicken wings are already very flavorful because of our asin and suka. Now, let's dip our chicken in our cornstarch and flour mixture. We will double dip our chicken. So, look at that, no? Ito siya, properly coated, cold water, basa lang ng konti, and coat again. And fry. Babalik rin natin yung ating wings. And bakit ko sinabay-sabay yung aking drumlets and yung wing tips? Mamaya sabay-sabay din para sabay-sabay sila maluto kasi yung thickness ng meat nito ay pare-pareha. So, walang maunang maluto at walang mahuhuli. And now, our wings have a beautiful golden color. And set it aside. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. And now, it's time to make our glaze. Bawang. Ito gusto ko maanghang. Sili, labuyo, patis, calamansi, and sugar. Kasi glaze siya. Yun lang siya. Sobrang simple. The calamansi will counter the saltiness of the patis and the sugar will thicken it and give it a nice sweetness. So, ito siya. Makita mo, buhaghag pa yung bubble siya. Ibig sabihin, very thin pa yung ating sauce. Now, let it simmer, 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 simmer. Later on, it will concentrate and become very thick. And napansin mo, look at that. Di ba sabi ko kanina, magiging very fine yung bubbles niya. Ibig sabihin, nag-thicken na siya and nagka-caramelize na siya, naging darker yung kulay. And now is the time to add our wings. And we will toss. And look at that, it's so beautiful. Maalat-alat, no? Matamis-tamis. Then there's a bit of asim. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And now we're ready to plate a mountain of crispy chicken wings. Ito, sobrang sarap. May pag-garnish pa tayo, ha? Oh. And titikman ko siya, pero medyo mainit pa siya ng konti. I will choose one. Let's bite into this. Ganda ng glaze, ha? Crunchy. Try this at home. Ating Patis Glazed chicken wings. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!